Hey guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to another video on my channel. So today's video is going to be yet another crazy episode because I have a brand new product on my desk. These are a truly wireless earbuds, but let me tell you they're not just any other ordinary one. These TWS have the ability to measure your heart rate during workouts. Like how crazy is that? They're made by Amazfit and are called as Amazfit Powerbuds. So today in this video, I'll quickly unbox them and give my review on the product. The Powerbuds came in this sort of box packaging. It's a compact white box, has a picture of the product on the front, and we've got some of its features mentioned over here. It can measure your heart rate, has magnetic ear hooks, superior quality sound, are IP55 dust and water resistant, and offer up to 24 hours of battery life. So those were some of its highlights. Going to the back side, we don't have much info over here. So let's quickly get started with the unboxing. The outer cover slides out like this, and on the inside we've got this plain white box with the Amazfit branding at the top. So here they are guys, the Amazfit's brand new Powerbuds. They're available in two different colors, dynamic black and active white. We have the black one currently. Initial impressions, the build quality is very good, love the finishing and feel quite lightweight in the hand. So before we talk about them in detail, let's also see what else do we have in the package. There's a user manual here, make sure to read that. A tiny box with 3 pair of ear tips in different sizes and a USB Type-C cable for charging. That's it, these are all the stuff we got in the box. Now let's finally check out the product, the Amazfit Powerbuds. The Powerbuds are specially made for the fitness freaks who want to keep a track on their health and at the same time listen to your favorite songs without the need of carrying an extra device like maybe a band or a tracker. It comes with this portable compact case and weighs around like 69 grams. And the build quality of the product is nice. It's made of good quality polycarbonate material and has a soft touch finishing all over it. Alright, so let me open up the case and show you the earbuds. So here are the Powerbuds, and as soon as you open the case you can see that they power on and show a white LED on the front. So on the inside we've got the buds and there's also a Bluetooth pairing button to easily connect them to your phone. And oh, I totally forgot, at the top of the case you have these magnetic ear hooks for the buds. Very nicely allotted. Let me just take them out. These are very helpful especially when you're doing intense workout activities. Just bring them close and they'll automatically connect via magnets. Now coming back to the buds, this is how they look like. The buds look a bit bulky guys, but let me tell you, each of them weigh only around 6 grams. It's got a dual lobe kind of design with quite a bit of sensors on board. If you ask about the build quality, they're made of polycarbonate and have a smooth carving texture with a red dotted pattern at the top. Very nice finishing, feels quite premium in the hand. You see this top area? This functions as a touch panel and offers a variety of functions. They also have dual mic noise reduction for good quality experience. We'll come back to this later. And this is a PPG-HR sensor to measure your heart rate. The quality of the tips used is also good. Plus one more nice thing over here is they also have proximity sensors for wear detection. Well, that's it. That was our overview on the design and the build quality. Now let me put them on and talk about the comfort and the sound. The Powerbuds are lightweight and feel quite comfortable while wearing. The noise isolation was good, and the best part is they're also IP55 rated dust and water resistant, so they're great for workout or sport related activities. Talking about the sound, these buds come with a 9mm drivers, and the first thing you'll notice when you play music on them is the bass. It's got deep and punchy bass that a lot of music lovers look for. See, they're specially made for the fitness freaks, right? So they produce those punchy beats to keep you motivated while working out. The mids felt crisp and clear and I could easily understand all the dialogues, and the treble quality was also nice. The overall audio quality was pretty good, but keep in mind that these were designed with fitness consumers in mind. So if you're an audiophile who wants his audio to be natural with a flat frequency response, then you may have to tune the EQ a bit through the Amazfit app to get what you're looking for. But for the general normal consumers who love bass, you'll be very satisfied with them out of the box. The distortion also minimum and the audio output also loud and satisfactory. Not to forget, they also have a built-in microphone and the mic quality was decently good. I didn't face any issues during call conversations. Now let me tell you about the special feature that sets them apart from the regular TWS. It's their ability to measure your heart rate. These TWS come with a PPG sensor and automatically start measuring your heart rate as soon as you start a workout activity. It was working well and giving accurate results almost 90% of the time during my testing. But see, the only thing I felt was this feature was only available when you start a workout activity through the Amazfit app. Normally, there is no option to just measure your heart rate. I hope the company could do something about that with at least a software update. Lastly, coming to the battery life on them was excellent. On an average at 70% volume level, I was getting around 6.5 to 7 hours of music playtime. And not to forget, the case also has a built-in battery right and can offer an extra 14 to 15 hours of juice. So totally you can expect around like 21 to 22 hours of battery life on a single charge. The cool part is they also feature quick charge support. A 15-minute charge offers you up to 3 hours of non-stop music playtime. Well, that was my video on Amazfit's new Powerbuds. They're really good TWS for the price. See, if you're a fitness freak who's specially looking for a TWS with great bass, water resistance, and plenty of fitness related features, then this is definitely for you. They cost around like 6,999 rupees. I'll just leave a link to them in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it for today. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.